Hello, in this video we are going to try Llama 3.1 on a MacBook using Ollama's REST API. We will quickly see how we could use Postman to run a REST API and then get responses. And also we will use the interface provided by Open Web UI and I'll configure it locally. So let's get started. Basically, in order to run this, you will need to install Homebrew. I already have it, but that's the command to install Homebrew on your MacBook. I'm going to leave this Notion page as well in the comments of this video so you can find it. And then once Brew is installed, then you can install Python. After that, you need to run on your terminal Ollama run Llama 3.1. But before doing that, you need to make sure that you have Ollama installed. This is the download link. If you go to the download screen, it looks like this. Basically, you can download it for the platform of your choice. I have already downloaded and installed it, so I don't need to go through these steps. Super simple, 2-3 steps. All right, then let's go start from there. I have my terminal here. I'm gonna start Ollama 3.1. There we go. We're up and running. I can chat with Ollama 3.1. Now, in order for you to make this accessible as a REST API, you need to run Ollama serve in another terminal. So let's go to my terminal again. Control T to open another tab. I have now 2 tabs, one running the service of Llama 3.1 and now one running the Ollama serve, basically the HTTP server that would be serving the REST API behind it. All right, so this means it already is running, so we should be able to already access our Ollama. Now let's go to our Postman, and that's the port that we already saw earlier. You can basically take this curl. Maybe I can do it from the scratch so you can see how it's done in Postman if you're new. So you click on import, click on raw text, paste it here, continue, import. In the body, it puts it as a key. It's okay. We take it to the body. And let's quickly make that's a post. Let's do a raw JSON. It's super zoomed in, therefore. That's basically the way you need to do. But unfortunately, I just noticed that it is referencing Llama 3. Let's fix that quickly on my Notion page so that you guys can get it. And we'll now try the same fix here so that we can get the response from 3.1, not 3. I already had 3 installed, so therefore I had it like this. So let's run it and see how it goes. It takes time because it's a relatively strong computer, but also it's an LLM we're running. So it took around 7.5 seconds, but we got the response from this LLM. All right, so now let's go and check the Open Web UI. I would also like to explain a few things that you need to do before this. So let's quickly check this. In order to run Open Web UI and connect it with your Ollama serve, you need to have a Docker running in your machine. So I already have a Docker running. All you need to do is go to the GitHub repository of Open Web UI, scroll down to where you get this Docker command. Copy it, go to your terminal, paste it, run it. This will spin off a Docker container that serves the UI for Open Web UI. And then if you go to your Docker container, you can see this container running. You can click this link, or as you can see that it is serving in port 3000. And now you can basically open this in any browser by checking it out, like this one, for example. It's running on port 3000. I have both the models that I have installed in this dropdown I can select, and I can chat with it, literally, why the sky is blue. And we can see that it's working. This is a 8 billion parameter version, but obviously if you have a stronger machine, you can run the other ones. Quick notes on Llama 3.1. It's a strong release. It's a very bold release from Meta. If you go to model, then you can see a lot of specs here that could give you a sense of what sort of machine you need. The easy way would be that we copy all this text, go to ChatGPT, and then ask that, what sort of machine do I need for this? Maybe I just say LLM. And for this 8B model that I was just showing, you need at least 32 GB RAM. My computer right now has 64 GB RAM, so it should be okay. Or a virtual RAM of 16 gigabits. Sorry, a GPU with a 16 gigabits VRAM. And the other models, I'm not sure if personally anyone would like to run it, because it's pretty much a strong machine needed there, probably a server. So that's pretty much all I want to share with you. Looking forward to the next video. Thank you.